What are you doing, Gabby?
Making a toolbox for my tools. Hey!
That's okay. You can do it.
Well, Mama, can you hold this?
You got it. Let me hold the toolbox for you. Almost got it. I think you need to back up a little bit. Are you sleeping while you're doing it? Sit up so you're really strong. That's too light.
What's too like this hammer?
Oh dear, be careful with the hammer. Okay, go ahead and show me. You almost got it. Yep. Hit it 2 more good times. Really big. Is it good? Good? All right, I think you need 1 more.
2.
Oh, 3 more. 2 more, I mean. You can do this one next.
Nice. Can you do another movie?
There you go.
Can you do
I'm still making a movie of you building, buddy.
Hi, Bobby Bobble Bee Bad.
Okay, finish building your thing.
What are you doing? Why aren't you doing your chores? Say your math. Your math.
All right, bud. Bye. How old are you, Gavin?
3.
You're 3?
Uh-huh.
No. How old did you turn on your birthday?
61.